Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've been waiting all day for this. I just don't know what to eat first. Bit of cauliflower cheese, some mash. Bit of chicken. You know what? Plated dinner, well, just plated it all up, to be fair. I don't put roasters on. She forgot. Oh well. Absolutely beautiful. So, plan was to go in hot tub today, but I put too much chlorine in it last night, and there's still too much in it today, so we've had to get a miss. So I think it's just gonna be chills, watching telly, getting Summer ready for school tomorrow. She's not looking forward to it, but never mind. Anybody else up to out? Sunday night, chilling, takeaway, or just chilling in your pyjamas, or going out? Anybody going out? Nice meal, cinema.